What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cooking a vegan Thai green tofu curry. Every great curry starts with a great paste, and the same goes for a Thai green curry paste. We're going to be making ours from scratch with all the ingredients that you see here. So to start our paste from scratch, we're going to need a blender. We're going to add in our spices, and we've got 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and 1 tablespoon of salt for seasoning. To this, we're going to add 4 cloves of garlic. These are already peeled, but before you put them into the blender, you want to crush them with the side of the knife. This helps to release the juices a little bit better. And to that, we want 1 inch of ginger, again peeled, and then just roughly chopped. In. Right, so Thai green curry paste is green. To make it green, we want to add in a bunch of coriander. We're just going to twist it in half and then put it into our blender. We're also going to be adding in 2 lemongrass sticks. Just roughly chop these so it helps the blend process. It's quite rough. Add in. And 2 stems of Thai basil. If you can't find Thai basil, you can use normal basil, but Thai basil really gives it that authentic taste. We're just going to strip the leaves off the stems and add in. Now for spice, we're going to add in about 4 green chillies. You can add in as many chillies as you like, or leave them out if you prefer. We're going to want to de-seed these by cutting them in half and removing the seeds. You can also leave these in. It's entirely up to your choice. Also, we've got kaffir lime leaves. That flavour, when you order a Thai takeaway or go to a Thai restaurant, is from kaffir lime leaves. So you want to add in about 6 of these. We also want to be adding in 1 red onion or a shallot. For this, we just cut it in half and cut it in half again. These go in to your blender. And then finally, we want 1 lime. So now our ingredients of the paste is ready, we just need to give it a blend. So that's our paste done. So now our paste is done, we're going to move on to the vegetables and the tofu. Here I've got a block of tofu, which I've drained. I'm just going to slice it into some bite-sized chunks. We're also going to be using a courgette and around half a courgette for this recipe. We just want to chop it in half, take off the end, cut it lengthways and into some nice chunks. As well as the courgettes, we're going to be using fine green beans. Again, just take a handful. These have been washed before cooking. You want to take off the ends and then cut them in half. I'll also be using mushrooms. You can use pretty much any mushroom you like. These are baby button chestnut mushrooms. So just give them a rinse and then you're good to go. Finally, we're going to be using bamboo shoots. These are tin bamboo shoots and they honestly add such an authentic flavour to the dish. You'll find them in pretty much any Thai curry around the world. So now our vegetables are prepped, our paste is made, it's time to start cooking. So you're going to take your paste and add a large spoonful to a pan, medium heat. We're just going to let this heat up a little bit so it starts cooking off the onions and the raw garlic and ginger that we've got in there. While that cooks off for around 3 to 4 minutes, we're going to be adding in a can of coconut milk. So we can just start pouring this in. just give it a stir. Let this come to a simmer before we add in any of our vegetables. Now traditionally, Thai green curry calls for fish sauce or shrimp paste, but because this is a vegan recipe, we're going to add in some soy sauce. About 4 tablespoons will do. You want 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. We'll just stir this. So this has been simmering for about 4 minutes now. Last but not least, we want to add in our vegetables. So I'm going to go in with our mushrooms, bamboo shoots, chopped green beans, and chopped courgettes. Just give this a stir. Now we're going to add in our tofu gently. Let this cook for a further 4 minutes so the sauce thickens up and the tofu absorbs all those flavours. And there you have it. Really simple, really tasty, homemade Thai green tofu curry, and it's also vegan. Before we serve this, we're just going to garnish it with some red chilli. Really helps the colours pop. There we are. You just want to serve this with some rice and you're sorted. Hope you liked today's recipe. Please like, comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more.